Hey everybody, welcome to Outdoor Inspirations, helping you tackle lawn and garden and DIY projects with confidence. 30 years of landscaping, and I still geek out over a tool that makes jobs easier. And in this video, we're going to talk about a power washer that not only makes jobs easier, but may make it even a bit more fun. Now I know cleaning you think's boring and you were assigned chores when you're a little kid, but not anymore. Meets my new friend, the Greenworks Pro 2700 all-electric power washer. And it makes chores fun again. Take my wife, for example. She got this new fancy Nancy vacuum cleaner and she loves it. Hey honey, can you help me with the ladder outside? Honey. So why can't I have awesome new tools that makes my job easier? I've had this power washer for a little over 2 years now, and it's just been incredible. Very reliable, and let me tell you some details about it. This unit is 2700 PSI, has a really nice long power cord with a built-in GFCI surge protector. The hose itself is 25 feet long, and it's kink resistant. So when you're pulling on this thing, from long periods away, it'll help not kink. It will kink if you force a turn like that, but in general, it's kink resistant, so it helps keep it long and straight. What helps too is if when you're pulling on the cord, stretching your total length out, rotate your wand so you get that straightness back in the line, okay? Has these really nice 10-inch big tires to help maneuver around the yard easily, as well as up and down steps, like deck steps, etc. Power button located on the top, on and off. Down below further is where your connections go. So your hose is here on the side, and then your garden hose goes here. Has a nice built-in filter. Pressure reducers and also overflow protection. So if it builds up too much pressure, it's gonna expand that out for you, no problem. The motor itself is fairly quiet. It's a brushless motor. And warranty from Greenworks is bumper to bumper on everything, 3 years. And then the brushless motor, they extend that up to 10 years. So that's nice confidence built in with warranty. Soap dispenser, here's your soap dispenser line going into the reservoir. Your tips, 5 included, and it starts with the most narrowest at 15 degree. Then you go to the green 25 degree, and the white is 40 degree. And then my favorite is the turbo nozzle. The turbo nozzle, if you can hear it there, it's got these ball bearings built in to give you that agitation action. And it's a really nice tip for most general use power washing. So the soap dispenser is nice. When I put that on before I start power washing my most stained areas, I'll put in the soap overlay. When it comes out, it's nice and thick, especially for vertical surfaces. And then I'll let that sit for a few minutes and then come in and tackle it with one of these nice water tips. All right, so we'll start with the house. You can see on the north side facing of my house here, this vinyl siding has that old buildup, pollen and spider webs each season. They just keep coming back. So this is a good instance where you would use the soap first and just blanket that across the siding, let it sit for a few minutes, and then come right back with your turbo nozzle or any of the other fans, and then just get that debris raked away so quickly. Blooper alert ahead. Got myself in a little bit of trouble. Left the power wand a little too high up on the ladder. Pro tip, gravity works. Stow your wand, save your noggin. The power washer is so versatile, so many things outside you can keep clean on a day-to-day basis. Concrete, siding, brickwork. Can you wash dogs with it? Milo, come here, Milo. Maybe not. So no dogs. Other things, stonework, even pottery outside. My water feature, if you haven't seen the video build of this one, check it out. All right, so what'd you think, guys? Do you think it does a good job cleaning? I do. And I love electric over gas powered because it's cleaner, quieter, and you don't have to change oil and all that good stuff. Check out Greenworks. I'll put a link in the description down below. They have all kinds of power tools. Everything's electric or battery powered. And they even have go-karts and e-bikes and all kinds of cool things on there. So check them out. This video was not sponsored by Greenworks, but I did reach out to them. And they did offer a special discount code for all the viewers of this video. So make sure, remember to use Kevin10 when you go on their website and check out. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Smash that like button if you love seeing dirt disappear. Until next time, guys, keep creating your own outdoor inspirations, okay? See ya.